honored colleague from those opposition benches, we are taking this much of time and expressing our agony. We are recording our anguish. We are also attacking our government. We are making our pressure. And I don't want to take this space or time to pressurize, but this is an occasion to mention. I have mentioned that even an hour in delay of separation of Telangana state, that much of loss not only to the people of Telangana, but also to the Constitutional Republic of Indian Union. That's what we are putting across. We are pressurizing our national leadership, and as being the activist of the organization, being the public activist, besides being the member of this August House, I am having complete confidence in the leadership and the commitment, honored leadership of my leader, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji. And led by her, UPA will deliver the separation of Telangana state. With that hope, I would like to state, I expect from the main opposition to come out with clear-cut, standard, committed stand for the separation, not through this type of loner's job, the Friday resolutions. I want Telangana. For that, Congress is competent to give it. We are hopeful of getting it. But at the same time, I expect the main opposition to extend the complete support in formation and realizing the aspirations. Those who have sacrificed the 900 above people, those who have sacrificed for their peace, we expect all the main opposition and opposition to extend to do their complete constitutional job in attaining separate statehood of Telangana. With these things, I want to take a mention.
Concluding, please sit down, please.
Prakash Javadekar ji. It is nice of you, so nice of you. And while concluding, to conclude my observations and my anguish, yajyadacharati shresthastatta devetaro janah sayat pramanam kurte lokastadanvartate. The nobles will lay the path and all will follow. My leadership, Srimati Sonia Ji Gandhi, the national leadership of Indian National Congress, will be laying the noble path to formation of Telangana separate state. With these words, I want to conclude while appreciating the gestures of Prakash Javadekar to mentioning in his resolution, not as a loner, as a main member of Bharatiya Janata Party. I expect you to bring party to support the effort of UPA in realizing the aspirations of people of Telangana state. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Shri Arvind Kumar Singh.
उप सभापति जी, मैं आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि आपने मुझे तेलंगाना जैसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे पर बोलने का मौका दिया है। महोदय, मैं समाजवादी पार्टी का सांसद हूं और समाजवादी पार्टी की शुरू से राय रही है कि बड़े राज्यों को छोटे राज्यों में विभक्त न किया जाए। बड़े राज्यों का बंटवारा किसी समस्या का अस्थायी समाधान नहीं है। मान्यवर, मैं बताना चाहता हूं, आज उत्तर प्रदेश में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार है। इससे पहले जो उत्तर प्रदेश में सरकार थी, उसने उत्तर प्रदेश के 4 भागों में बांटने का प्रस्ताव केंद्र सरकार को भेजा था। इस मामले में केंद्र सरकार का भी रवैया उतना सकारात्मक